Howdy, folks. Y'all ready to add some personality to that plain old fridge of yours? Well, let me tell you about these hilarious meme animal magnets that'll have the whole family cracking up every time they grab a snack. These little conversation starters measure about 1.5 to 2.5 inches and feature all your favorite internet celebrities. From that crying cat to the surprise hamster and even that adorable little duck. The pack includes 12 high-quality magnets with crystal clear printing that'll keep their charm longer than a southern summer. Now, these aren't just for your fridge, y'all. Pop them on your locker, office filing cabinet, or any magnetic surface that needs a dose of joy. They make the perfect gift for anyone who loves their memes served with a side of practical use. Click that link below to bring some viral joy to your kitchen.